Thrill seekers, when entering the ride vehicle, carefully step over the yellow bar.
Did you see what fell?
And lift the comfort collar.
I didn't see what fell, but you heard it? And it shattered. Yeah, I was like, that was fun.
With your legs between the U-bar and feet under the shin pad. When possible, feet should be flat on the floor. Once properly seated, buckle your comfort collar and pull on the green strap, ensuring it's secure. For those waiting to ride, please stand back and be mindful of the closing gates.
Hands up!
During your ride, remain seated with your hands, arms, legs, and feet down and inside the ride at all times. Hold on to the lap bar and remain facing forward with your back against the seat back and head against the headrest. Now, sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest and get ready to ride Electric Eel. Platform scan, platform clear. Enjoy your ride.
Okay. Yeah.
Welcome back. When exiting, unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar and lap bar. Carefully step over the yellow bar and exit to your right. Thank you for riding Electric Eel and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld. Thrill seekers, when entering the ride vehicle, carefully step over the yellow bar and lift the comfort collar. When seated, lower your lap bar, ensuring it's snug against your body, with your legs between the U-bar and feet under the shin pad. When possible, feet should be